forward, sir. Shouldn't we say grace? I'll do it. Today we give thanks for the food on our plates, for happiness and health, and for the amazing low prices at our favorite chain stores, where we will stampede and trample one another to save a few bucks on cheap crap we will give to people we don't even like that much. Amen.
I got a long list of needs, gotta satisfy them all. And first on the list is a bag of Tylenol, cause I'm stressed out thinking I don't have the time at all to get my shopping done. Let me start here on the top at one. First I need to check my email. Oh shit, Yahoo front page news, another celebrity female. They had a wedding recently, the marriage epically failed. I need to click the link because I need to get the details. Soon as I click it, I'm hit with a little ad that reminds me of a need that I already had. It's an absolute must-have, need it really bad. Before I read the story, I'd be rushing out of my pad. Now I'm in my car speeding cause I'm itching to find a Mickey D's drive-thru so I can sit in the line. Gotta get in it in time, can't waste a minute of time. The McRib's only there for a limited time. And then I'm hit with a sign that makes a switch in my mind, reminding me of a need of a different kind. A brightly colored advertisement on a bus bench makes me head to Target to pick up tents, cause tomorrow they coming out with Call of Duty 84, and it's a necessity. I camp out at the store, you never know, they might never fucking make anymore. I'm gonna rush to the front when they open the door and trample over any people that fall down on the floor. This ain't a game, this is war. If you produce it, I'll consume it. If you shove it down my frickin' throat, everybody else got it, I don't wanna miss the boat. It's a lot of shit I really, really need, and I need to get all of it at a really fast speed. I'm aware I'm a puppet of another man's greed. I don't care, I'm in love with all this shit I really need. It's a lot of shit I really, really need.